Hello people and welcome to Follow Internet. In this video, I am going to show you how to write a cover letter for freshers. Open up your browser, go to this link chat.openai.com. It will give this beautiful dashboard where you can get a prompt, type cover letter for freshers, bottom right corner, send message button, click on it. ChatGPT gives format. Now scroll up, copy from here, sincerely your name, right click your mouse, copy, press Windows key, type Word, open up Microsoft Word, blank document, right click your mouse, keep text only, click on it. You can replace your name. Similar thing that you can change your name, address, your email, date, employer's name, company name. Here you can write your job title and the company name. I hope you understand. Thank you for watching this video. Stay with us.